Diary.
What do you think? You think it's gonna snow? You think it's gonna snow tomorrow? It's gonna be icy and cold? Yeah? Is it gonna be deep snow? You've never seen snow. You've never seen snow. I think you're too little. You won't care though. Yeah. You're so pretty. Really? Why are you so pretty? You're the most beautiful baby girl I've ever seen. Yeah. And you growl. You don't talk, you growl. Oh, Gandalf's moving. He's in his wheel. I don't know if you can see him in there. That's funny. Anyway, back to the snow talk. Yeah, I think you're too little. You won't remember it. You won't remember it. I don't think you'll really care either. I don't think you'll care about the snow either. Next year you will. Yeah. When you're listen, when you're one, you will love the snow. Or hate it like your brother did. Yeah. Say mama. Can you say mama? Mama, mama. Mama, mama. Yeah. No way. Really? Yeah. Boo. A boo. Yeah. What are you doing with those feet? What are you doing with those feet? You scooch up. There you go. Hang it. Are you sitting up by yourself? Big girl. Big girl. You're ready to just get up and walk, aren't you? Oh, big yawns. All right, big girl. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hi, Gandalf. What are you doing? Hi, buddy. Going back up the slide? Alright. Okay. As most of you know, if you have been watching the Weather Channel, since I live in northern Oklahoma, we're supposed to get an ice/snow, sleet storm. Shane took the kids to church tonight because they're doing their monthly, they do once a month, sorry, I'm moving the camera around, I'm trying to fix my sleep. They do once a month Wednesday night service. So he took the kids to church and let me just have a night to myself, an evening to myself, so I can just relax and not have to worry about anybody. And I'm choosing to go to Walmart on said night of peace. Yeah. I'm sure it's not going to be crazy at all. I'm sure it's going to be perfect, and I'm going to get everything I need with minimal trouble and just in and out because I'm by myself, right? No, I doubt it. We'll see when I get there. I'm armed with my faux fur coat because it's cold out, and I'm ready to roll. So, let's turn off some lights. I'm sorry, you probably can't see me now. Here I am. All right, we are going to have to take Shane's car. It doesn't have, I better lock the door. Actually, I'm gonna pretend that I locked it because I don't know which key's the house key. Actually, I think it's this one. Let's see if that works before I lock anything. Maybe this one. All right. House is locked. Okay. So like I was saying, oh, it is bitter cold. I don't know. I have to take Shane's car because he took my car so he could have the car seat for the kids to go to church. I haven't driven. His car is what used to be my car. I haven't driven it in forever. Okay. This is my car, Brian. Where's that? Okay. It's so weird being in a car. That.
Out of Detroit,
You don't drive and you're not used to driving, and it is pitch dark. There we go. There's a light. All right. Okay, I wanted someone to go with me to Walmart, but I couldn't find anyone to go, so I'm just gonna take you, and we're gonna just have a fun little Walmart trip together, okay? So I'll film again when we get there because I can't see to back up with that light on, okay? Bye! You guys have got to see these Christmas lights. They're just down from my house. They always decorate so pretty every year. I'll drive by slow. Can you see how pretty they are? There's a car coming that's going to ruin our shot. This lady, every Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, she comes out and sets up her Christmas lights. There's a car. Here, and they look so good. Alright, my hand's freezing. I'm about to drop the camera. Okay, I just turned into the parking lot and it really doesn't look that bad. So that means that either all the stuff is gone. You can't tell because I'm low, but there's a ton of open spaces. So that means that either all the stuff is gone that I need, or people just aren't that worried about the winter storm coming through. So we'll see when we get in there. And I'm gonna count how many rude people there are, because it's Walmart and I'm sure there's gonna be rude people. There's rude people at Walmart even when it's not impending weather. Okay, I'm gonna film when I go in. Okay, so there were a few more people here at Walmart than I expected. The whole middle aisle is full, and then the aisle behind me is full. I just went down it and I found this spot, but it's not a very bad spot. It's like the third spot in the row. The first one that's not a handicap spot, so that's lucky. And then there's a cart right on its side right there. See that? Right there. Okay, let's go find our things. Try not to yell. First thing we need on our list is meat, and I was just going to show you the banana section. Because I want one banana. This is the banana section today. So if you came for bananas, there's not any. So we're gonna check out the meat section. Excuse me. Oh my. Sorry. There's not any. All right. Well, there's no ground beef. So now I don't know what to get. I do vlogs on YouTube. I film every day, me and my family. Mel's Dork Diaries, look them up. I film all the time, every day. There's ham. I can get a ham. I don't want a ham. That was the first time someone asked about my videos, so I'm so excited. There's some chicken, but I don't need chicken. Okay, I guess I'll get my list and see what else I need. I'll show you. I'm gonna park by the Jello. Fire starter logs. Let's go see if we can find those. Let's go see. Excuse me. I'm so excited. That was the first time anyone has ever asked what I was filming for. And I advertised. I said, look up Mel's Dork Diaries. So they, they're gonna go home and look it up and be like, hey, that girl's at Walmart all the time. I'm gonna be known around town as that woman carrying the camera, but that's fine. It'll be fun. I think it's fun. All right, let's see. Fire logs. And you know, that is what happens when you don't really care that you're talking to a camera. People ask. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Ooh. Hi, Garth. Yeah, totally just not Garth Brooks at Walmart. Not really. I think heating blankets will be down here because I am so cold. My feet are freezing and my fingers too. I can't even feel my fingers right now. Okay, let's see. I don't think they would be in rugs. Maybe in bedding. We'll go check the bedding aisle. I don't know exactly where it would be. I'm just looking for a heating blanket. Let me see. I don't think there's any on this aisle. I'll check the next aisle over. Wait, are these them? No, that's not. Excuse me. Maybe over here. That's not it either. Okay, here. I set you right there for a second so I can text Shane and tell him. I have a text anyway. Okay. My camera's saying low card speed again, and I don't know what that means. See, now it's not doing it. It's filming fine now. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, back to finding a heating blanket. Like I'm saying, I'm sorry I keep sniffing. My nose is running. It's cold out. Maybe they're down this way with the pillows. But I was so excited that someone asked me. Well, you guys were just there with us. Someone asked me what I filmed for. That was so great. Yeah, I'm so excited. You know they're gonna go look it up. Is this one? No, that's just a blanket. A fleece blanket, a cotton blanket, and then like a blanket. I want a heating blanket. They sell those, right? They have those at Walmart, I'm pretty sure. Right? Okay, well, I'm not leaving empty-handed. I'm going to find one. I'm gonna ask somebody. Well, good thing there's still fire logs and heaters. Let's see, what's a good fire log? What are these? We got these last time. How many's in there? 24. I wonder what they look like. No, these are the ones we got last time. And then there's diamond. How many's in that one? Burns for 12 minutes. I'm gonna get that one. That will be a good one. There's 48. All right. That's our fire log. Should I get another heater, like a little space heater, or keep looking for, what was I looking for? A heating blanket. See, they have all these little space heaters, and this one, if we have this one at home, and if you don't have it, use it. Buy one, go to Walmart. They're $27.86 at Walmart, and they work great. I'm getting texts. Let me see. You still filming? You better be still filming me. I told Shane that someone asked me what I filmed for, and he said, "Who asked that?" I was like, "I don't know." Some guy. And then my mom said, "Nice." I was texting people. So yeah, okay. I was gonna ask somebody if they had a heating blanket or where I might find one, but I can't find anyone who's working here. So I don't know where they'd be. I could get a sleeping bag. That would be warm. I don't know. Let's turn and see what I can. Here's the sleeping bags. They have a bunch of those, but I want something that'll keep me warm. I'm so cold all the time. I don't know. I'm gonna go ask somebody for real. I hate shopping here by myself. Alright, I'm gonna look at one more spot before I ask. I'm gonna look down this way. That's not it. Okay, I found them. I asked a very nice lady where they would be at, and she told me. What was that? That's a heating pad for just your feet. Wow. Okay, so here they all are, and I don't know which kind I want. I think I'm just going to get this. There's this one. What size is that? 3 heat settings, 50 inches by 60 inches. I don't know how long that would be. What is that? That's 50 inches by 60 inches too. And that is ultimately the same price. So is this one, and it's okay. I think I'm going to get, should I just get the fleece heated throw? It's only $20. Or I could get the Imperial plush heated throw. Or I could get a fleece heated, like, I don't think I like fleece. No, fleece feels weird. Okay, I'm going to get this red one. 3-hour heat setting. Oh, I see why they're more expensive. One's a 5-hour heat setting. Okay, I'm just gonna get this one. I'm gonna get the cheap $20 one is all I need. As long as it works, I'll be fine. But yes, a very nice Walmart worker helped me, and then she wished me a Merry Christmas. So you have a Merry Christmas too, nice Walmart worker. Okay, I got my 2 of my 3 items. So I'm gonna get out of here. And I haven't ran into anyone hateful either. So, that being said, I am going to get out of here. Why is it on 960/30? My settings keep changing. Okay, so aside from not having ground beef, Walmart really wasn't that bad. I had to ask where the heating blankets were, but I got one, and I got fire starters, so I think I'm all set for tomorrow. I think. They didn't have ground beef, but I think that'll be okay. We have 2 packages at home, so I think we'll be okay, because I'm sure that's not going to get that bad to where we need to get ground beef right tomorrow. I mean, if we get it, like, I don't know, if we get it on Saturday, it'd be okay. I think. Anyway. Alright. I am going to drive home and turn my heating blanket out. Okay. And then I'll edit videos with the heating blanket on. Okay. Even getting out of the Walmart parking lot wasn't that bad. So, there were no bananas, but there's never any bananas when there's an ice storm. That's like the first thing that goes. Well, there were a few bananas, but like some that were just laying there, and I didn't want to get any of those. We have actually 2 packages of bananas at home. Not that anyone really eats bananas, but apparently when the ice storm is coming, you think, oh, I'm gonna need some potassium. I don't know. I think my phone just, like, I actually know my phone just went off 3 times, so that I think I got 3 text messages. So I'll read those when I get home. Whoever's texting me, you're gonna have to wait. Oh, I was gonna tell you, you know the little Salvation Army bell ringers they have this time of year? The girl that was doing it out at the Walmart here, she must have either just graduated or she was about to graduate, because she had on a Letterman jacket, and she was singing Christmas carols as I was coming in and leaving. And as I was coming in, there was a man who was behind me singing them too. And I guess trying to make her feel better that no one else was singing, because everyone's kind of grumpy. I mean, even though no one was really mean, they just didn't really talk. It was pretty quiet in Walmart. No one said anything except me, because I talk to a camera all the time. But no one really said anything. They were just kind of wanting to get in and out in the littlest amount of time possible and not have to talk to anyone or deal with anyone's crap. So that's what that was. I don't have the kids tonight because they're at church with their dad, and church started at 6:30. They left at 5, and I'm not going to know what to do for a couple more hours. Church has been on for probably about an hour, so they should be almost done with it, but I don't know what to do. And then it's going to be probably another 45 minutes to an hour before they get home, so I don't know what I'm going to do for the next hour. I could either edit videos or wait and do that tomorrow, or I could sit and watch Netflix. I think I'm going to sit and watch Netflix, and I'm very sorry. I'm not going to edit videos right now. I'll need something to do tomorrow during the ice storm. The ice apocalypse, ice storm. The ice storm.